So previously, we have registered new user and we have updated the profile. Now, we will sign in using email and password. We will create new empty views activity. Let us name it sign in activity. Now in activity_main.xml, we will create another button, just above the register button. We will use it for sign in. Copy and paste the register button. ID will be btn_sign in. Text will be sign in. Remove vertical bias, top to top of and bottom to bottom of. Instead, bottom to top of btn_register. Margin bottom, 10. Now, create reference for this button in main activity. btn sign in dot set on click listener. Intent equals new intent. Main activity dot this sign in activity dot class. Okay, I made a mistake. I will remove the newly created sign in activity and create a new one inside the sign in package. Sign in activity. Now open manifest file and delete the activity name of the previous sign in activity. Intent, sign in activity dot class. Start activity, intent. Now open activity_sign in dot xml. We will create two edit text, one for email and another for password, and a sign in button. Width, 250. Height, 50. ID, et_sign_in_email. Hint, enter your email ID. Input type, text email. Gravity, center. Constraint vertical bias, 0.4. Top to top of parent. Bottom to bottom of parent. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Now, copy and paste the same edit text. This time, ID will be et_sign_in_passwd. Hint, enter your password. Input type, text password. Remove bias, top to top of and bottom to bottom of. Instead, top to bottom of et_sign_in_email. Margin top, 10. Now, button. Width, 150. Height, 50. ID, btn_sign_in_user. Text, sign in. Margin top, 10. Top to bottom of et_sign_in_passwd. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Now, create reference for both the edit text and the button in sign in activity. Also, Firebase Auth, mauth. Mauth equals Firebase Auth get instance. et_signin_email equals find view by ID @id.et_signin_email. et_signin_passwd equals find view by ID @id.et_signin_passwd. btn_signin_user equals find view by ID @id.btn_signin_user. btn_signin_user set on click listener. So first, we need to check if both the edit texts are empty or not. If they are empty, we need to display an error. Else, we can sign in. If et_signin_email.getText.toString is empty, then et_signin_email.set error, please enter email ID. Else if et_signin_passwd.getText.toString is empty, then et_signin_passwd.set error, please enter password. Else mauth sign in with email and password et_signin_email.getText.toString. et_signin_passwd.getText.toString. Add on complete listener. Here, if sign-in is successful, that is, task is successful, we will open another activity and display user ID there. Else, we will display a toast message. Toast.make text, get application context. Task.get exception, get message, to string. Toast.length long. Show. Now at the top, if mauth get current user not equals null, which means a user has already signed in. Then mauth sign out. Now, we will create a new empty views activity, this time outside the sign-in package. We will name it home activity. As of now, we will only create a text view. Width and height, wrap content. Margin, 10. Top to top of parent. Bottom to bottom of parent. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Text size, 18. Text color, black. Gravity, center. ID, TV_UID. Now, we will create reference for this text view inside home activity. Also, we will access Firebase Auth. TV_UID set text mauth get current user get UID to string. Now go back to sign in activity. Here inside if task is successful. Intent equals new intent sign in activity this home activity class. Start activity intent. Now click on run. Select sign in. Here, I will enter my email ID and password and then click on sign in. Once I click on sign in, it should show my user ID in home activity. So in upcoming videos, we will see about password reset, email link login, email verification and delete user account.